Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to disable a user account in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To disable a user account on Windows 11 computer, log on to your computer with administrator account and right click on Start menu and then click on Computer Management. In Computer Management, go to Local Users and Groups, expand it and click on Users. Here I have a user 1, and now I am going to disable this account. Right click on the account and click on Properties, and in General tab you will find here some options, and you will find here account is disabled. Just click on account is disabled and now click on apply and click on OK. Look, the disabled sign is showing here. Now the user account is disabled on Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.